Salam sejahtera and greetings to our dear lecturers. Today we are going to present our group project that has been assigned and complete for subject Software Application Technology. Our group title will be Construction and Designing a Double-Story House at Jeram, Kuantan, Mukim, Sungai, Karang, Daerah, Kuantan, Pahang. We are from Group 5 and Section 5. This is our group member. Our group member consists of 4 persons, which is me, Kishan Yogeswaran. Secondly, Muhammad Nur Syair bin Khairuddin. Thirdly, Nur Sharmila binti Yusuf. And finally, Qura Tuanisa binti Muhammad Zaid.
Next, this is our project background. Megah Holding Sedang Berhad was founded as a construction company and in October 2023. Background in architecture for double story, analysis and design the project. Make a significant contribution to the structure analysis and design of the double-story house project. We use the model double-story house structure to architecture structure drawing to analyze the model. For our objective of the study, first, to propose a suitable size of foundation, beam, column and thickness of wall and slab. Number 2, to propose a modeling double-story house structure using estimate. And number 3, to prepare work planning of the double-story house to incorporate a summary of work progress, S-curve and Gantt chart work program. This is for our location at Jeram, Kuantan, Mukim, Sungai, Karang, Daerah Kuantan, Pahang.
I'll be continuing on presenting the concept of our building. Our building is a double-story house which consists of 2 floors, and the bedrooms, bathroom are typically located on the top level, as well as the living area, kitchen, dining room and living room, which is located in the ground floor or lower level. 2-story homes offer a fantastic chance to personalize your area with features like walk-in closets, bonus rooms and outside living spaces, terraces or balconies. A 2-story building usually has mezzanine levels or a basement floor. Such levels may also be counted against the overall number of floors in the building. This is our model of double-story house. Actually, this is our plan. So this, as you can see, you'll be looking at the rear elevation of our double-story house. So for this rear elevation and front elevation, this is actually 2 combined twin house. So we actually only modeling or designing a construction for 1 single unit of the house. As you can see, left and right houses are the similar specs and also similar sizes. The only thing you can see here is they are twin, they look alike and continued. So for our designing and construction, we are using a separate method, so we'll be considering only one part of the house as a single unit double-story house. Okay, as you can see here, this is our continuous of the model double-story, and here we presented the ground floor plan and first floor plan. For the part of proposal idea of size for beam, slab thickness and column, here is the short calculation for the beam, slab and also column. For the beam, size for beam 1BGF, the overall depth that we have calculated is H L over 13, which is the L span 3750 divided by 13, so we would have get 288 millimeter. So as far as we have gotten this calculation, we are recommending or suggesting or proposing to use the 150 times 450 millimeter size for beam. And following up for the slab thickness, so minimum thickness for the fire resistant is 80 millimeter. So estimated thickness for deflection control is calculated. So for the L span, long span, 3400 divided by 30, so we have gotten 113 millimeter. Referring to the table 5.8 in the structural standard, we have obtained, or we are proposing to use size 125 mm for the slab thickness. And following up for the column, width of the column, so this is the calculation that we have conducted. The size of the rectangular column is 300 mm times by 500 mm.
So this is our ground floor for the house of the double story semi-DD house. So this is the plan layout for the ground floor. So for this is our first floor plan for our house, double story house. So this is our second floor for our double story house. And this is our 3D model plan view for our double story house after we design the house layout by layout, and this is our final design for the double story house. So for this is project information. For total project is double story house in Kuantan, and the project location is Sungai, Karang, Kuantan, Pahang. Duration project is 1 year, and the total project cost is 498,880 ringgit. For the start date is 9 October 2023, and the finish date is 21 January 2025. For the working days is start to Monday to Saturday, and then the working days is Sunday. The working time start 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. and the public holidays almost have around 21 public holidays for the workers in 1 year. And then for progress report, we get almost 4 times through the project. So this all from me for the project information.
Next, I would like to explain about work planning. Microsoft Project has a complete range of tools that help project managers effectively plan and manage project. The software's Gantt chart view and critical path analysis feature support project managers in understanding task efficiency, scheduling activities, and keeping projects on track. To incorporate every activity involved in the additional structural design, all of the layouts below were generated using Microsoft Project 2016 software. Next, for entry Gantt chart, here are we are doing the project double story house at Jeram, Kuantan, Mukim, Sungai, Karang, Daerah, Kuantan, Pahang. So there are the list for the activities done for this project. First is planning, next is preliminaries, then progress project. Building work consists of structure work and superstructure work, architectural, and painting. After that is M&E, consists of electrical works and plumbing works. Then is landscaping, and lastly is testing and commissioning, then project finishes. For cost Gantt chart, the total cost for this project is 498,880 ringgit. Next is S-curve. So here is the cash flow report for this project. Conclusion: the purpose double story project emerged as a promising venture demonstrating a balance between practical innovation, safety, efficient field implementation, and cost effectiveness. Its practically is evident in its design and functionality, addressing the spatial needs and preference of potential occupants.